Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I got the splits pose. So it's actually available only last year at on the summer update. So as you can see under poses, there's the 1 billion pose pack. I think they were celebrating them hitting 1 billion players, I think, or 1 billion something. I do not remember, but I had to click on the radio on the lobby to get this split pose. Unfortunately, you cannot get it again. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Unfortunately, I cannot help in you getting the split unless you got another Roblox account that's been played in the past and maybe they just want to give it or sell it off. You can get the split post back, but to be honest, I don't really use it anymore. I just use the ones that they have here, except if I'm doing a gymnastics model or something. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.